For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below.
Next one in our list is Casper Sleep Mattress. If we had to pick our favorite mattress out of this list, this offering from Casper would probably be our number 2 choice. Its memory foam is some of the most advanced on the market. Rather than just having a more porous layer that allows airflow, this mattress foam draws your body heat away from your body and pushes it to the bottom of the mattress. This will help a lot to keep you from overheating overnight. Perhaps the best feature of this mattress, however, is its extended trial period. If you decide to try this mattress out, you will have a total of 100 nights to sleep on it before you have to make your final decision. This will make it that much easier to be sure you are getting the mattress of your dreams, rather than investing in a nightmare. This mattress is made with premium latex foam for cooling and bounce and memory foam for supportive comfort. Developed and crafted with exacting standards in the USA, this mattress is resilient enough to compress, ship and fit through any door.
I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.